In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos on Fresha, an essential step for any business looking to showcase their services effectively on this popular platform. Whether you're operating a spa, a salon, or any other business that thrives on visual appeal, updating your Fresha profile with stunning photos could be a game changer for attracting more clients. Let's begin by navigating to the Fresha site specifically designed for professionals. You'll want to open your browser and go to Fresha for Business, https://www.fresha.com/for-business. This page is your gateway to accessing all the business-oriented features Fresha has to offer. Once you're on the page, look for the login button and click on it. This is your first step toward accessing your business account, where you can make all sorts of updates, including adding photos. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to specify that you're logging in for business purposes. So make sure to click on for business to proceed in the right direction. Now onto the logging in process. Fresha offers various sign-in methods, but today let's make things simple by clicking on sign in using Google. This option is incredibly convenient if your business email operates on Google Workspace or if you use Google services frequently. Once you click on the Google sign-in option, you'll see a list of your Google accounts, if you have more than one. Choose the Google account you wish to use for your Fresha business profile. It's crucial that this account is secure and one that you regularly check, as it will be tied to your Fresha professional dealings. Next, you'll be directed to your Fresha dashboard. From here, we need to navigate to the online booking settings. To do this, find and follow the link to online booking. This section allows you to manage how your clients book your services online, but it's also where you'll be able to add photos to your profile. Within the online booking section, you'll come across the Options button. Click on it. This will open up a menu from which you need to select Edit Profile. It's in this area that you can tweak various aspects of your business profile, including the visual presentation aspects like photos and images. As you click through, you might need to press Continue a few times until you spot the plus icon, which represents the option to upload new photos. This plus icon is crucial. It's your gateway to enhancing your profile with visuals. Once you see it, click on it to initiate the upload process. Now you will browse your computer or device for the photos you want to upload. This step is where being prepared with well-lit, high-quality images of your services, products or premises comes into play. Select the files you want to upload and proceed. With your selected photos ready, hit the Save and Exit button. This action saves all the changes you've made, including uploading your new photos. It's crucial to remember that these images will play a significant role in how potential clients perceive your business. They should be a true reflection of the quality and professionalism of your services. And that's it. You've successfully added photos to your Fresha business profile. Remember, these images can make a huge difference in attracting clients. They say, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in the business world, it can be worth countless inquiries and bookings. Make sure to update your photos regularly to keep your profile fresh and engaging. Keep experimenting with different images to see what attracts the most attention and ultimately the most business.